Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix your phone no service but is showing Wi-Fi. So here's a guide to for your mobile data and to restore your signal. Fix 1, you need to turn your cellular data off and back on. Firstly, you need to go to settings and then select cellular or cellular data on iPad. Tap to turn cellular data off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Check if the status bar shows service bars instead of no service. Fix to toggle airplane mode. Open the settings app, turn airplane mode on and leave it on for at least 15 seconds. Turn airplane mode back off to force an independent network search. This triggers a search regardless of your active Wi-Fi connection. Fix 3, restart your iPhone. Power the device off completely, wait for a few seconds, then power it back on. This clears a stuck cellular radio without touching Wi-Fi settings. Fix 4, confirm you are in a coverage area. Working Wi-Fi but broken cellular often points to a carrier side issue. Verify you are physically in an area with confirmed cellular coverage. Coverage maps vary by region and can change unexpectedly. Rule this out before assuming there is a problem with the phone hardware. Fix 5, you need to check your cellular data line. Firstly, go to settings and then select cellular. For dual SIM users, verify the correct data line is currently selected. Only one line can be active for cellular data at a time. Selecting the wrong line causes one to show service while the other fails. Fix 6, verify SIM or eSIM activation. Confirm with your carrier that your SIM or eSIM is properly activated. Check that the device isn't locked or barred from service. Working Wi-Fi proves the phone's logic board and antennas function. Failure strictly on cellular points to a network provisioning issue. Fix 7, turn on data roaming if you are traveling. Go to settings and then select cellular. Then select cellular data options. Turn on data roaming. Roaming blocks are a common cause of cellular failure while traveling. The phone will connect to local Wi-Fi but block the cellular network. Fix 8, check for a carrier settings update. Firstly, connect to Wi-Fi which you have already been working on. Go to settings and then select general, select about. Install the carrier settings update if a prompt appears on the screen. Fix 9, you need to update your iOS. Go to settings and then select general, select software update. Install any available system update to fix known software bugs. Restart the device once the installation finishes. Fix 10, reset network settings. Go to settings, select general, and then select transfer or reset iPhone. Then go to reset. Tap on reset network settings to reset cellular preferences specifically. This clears cellular preferences without breaking long-term Wi-Fi logic. Saved Wi-Fi passwords will be cleared and need to be re-entered. Check for returning cellular bars after the automatic restart. So by following those 10 fixes, it should help you solve your issue. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.